Hello again from the Bureau. Communities through eastern Victoria and southern New South Wales are doing it incredibly tough at the moment with the ongoing fires, but unfortunately today is another day of extreme fire risk. This morning, thick smoke is blanketing eastern parts of Victoria and southern New South Wales with the ongoing fires. We're even seeing some smoke push into western parts of Victoria, and that's from the South Australian fires, particularly around Kangaroo Island yesterday. Today will be a day of severe to extreme fire danger through many districts, reaching extreme through northeast Victoria and then through a wide swathe of southern and southeastern New South Wales, including the ACT. Fire danger today will be on par with what we saw on New Year's Eve. If anything, the change is arriving later in the day today in comparison to New Year's Eve, giving more time for those strong north to northwesterly winds to affect the fire regions. The change that we're waiting for is sitting through West Gippsland this morning, having moved through Melbourne earlier this morning. We'll see northerly winds, north to northwesterly winds ahead of the change, strengthen to around 20 to 40 kilometres throughout the day today, gusting to around 50 to 70 kilometres per hour. The change will move through the fire regions through East Gippsland in the early afternoon and then through southern New South Wales and the Illawarra later in the day, reaching the Sydney metropolitan area around 11 p.m. or midnight tonight. We'll see strong and gusty southwesterly winds behind the change. Through the Gippsland coast, we'll initially see a first change and then a stronger push of wind a little bit later on, so we'll strengthen those winds. And particularly along the Illawarra coast, we've got a severe weather warning for damaging wind gusts potentially with that southwesterly change too. Just keep an eye on those temperatures there, potentially reaching around the 40-degree mark through the East Gippsland and the southern coast of New South Wales. We may see those temperatures just along the coastal fringe just temper a little bit in sea breezes, but certainly that extreme heat will push very close to the coast, and you can see temperatures in that mid-40s mark through the inland there. Let's take a closer look at when that wind change is expected through specific regions. Through Victoria, we're likely to see the wind change reach the East Gippsland around that Mallacoota region around 1 p.m. or a little bit after. And then through the southern New South Wales region, we'll see that change push up the New South Wales coast in the late afternoon and early evening, then reaching the Sydney region around 11 p.m. tonight. So please, throughout today, a day of extreme fire risk, please take advice from all emergency services and stay in touch with the Bureau's warnings on our website, app and social media.